Hi guys, today I have to show you something and ask you a question about what I should do. So we have here a big suitcase with Fujinon brand on it and covered of old shipping stickers. This one says about something in Oscopy, UK, limited. So this suitcase is to carry something very expensive, formerly very expensive, still expensive, but thanks to the wonders of eBay, I got it at an insane price, probably one of my best deals ever. So what do you think we have in here? It is a big case and you need a bachelor's degree just to arrange the stuff inside. Look at this. Sorry, it is too big to fit completely in the frame. What do you think we have here? I will help you a little bit. Look at this. Look at this. It can move around. But it is not all, because if I take a light, I arrange the light like such, hopefully. I try to keep it in place. Sorry, it is not that easy. Like this, okay. You cannot see, but it is just here in the corner. I did something with a little light, and now, if I take again, excuse me, it is a little bit fiddly. Okay, I take again the bit I had here. And look at this. We have an optical fiber shining through here. Okay. What else? Big controller thing here you cannot see yet. And also, big serious connector here with a number of pins and some watertight cover, and it is even written attach cap before cleaning, because yes, this thing will require a very special cleaning procedure, which is actually found online. I will link in the video description some informations. So, what do we have here? We have a colonoscope. Yes. The things you put in the rear hand to see what is happening, and do some biopsy also with a special tool you will insert and that will poke out here in the little hole and allow to remove some of the material for further analysis. So I got this on eBay for how many do you believe? Yes, less than £1 British, and used this device is worth a lot more. And the new price for same category of equipment is at least 5 or 6,000 euros or British pounds. So it is a super nice deal. So I was planning to do a teardown of it, but the problem while having a first look at it, that it seems absolutely impossible to take apart with no damage. Because yes, for the cleaning procedure, you need to completely put it in a cleaning product, liquid cleaning, a disinfectant product, and it will be completely watertight. So it is why it is not easy to take apart with no damage, well, with no destruction even. But now I don't know what to do not know what to do, because do I keep it as a impossible to find collector device, or do I, for science, do a lot of damage and open it and reveal all the contents, in particular what we have in this box here. So I will get it out of the case and we will have a first look at least. So this thing has several major parts. Here is the main electronics box with apparently camera inside. It is connected with a short cable here to this connector, and I found online what it is supposed to go in. It is going into two boxes. One is a light source. We'll insert this on and the light will shine here. And we have some auxiliary inputs here for fluids, apparently a bottle of water and things like this. And the second box will be the video processing unit, where you will connect this thing and it will process a picture and eventually will show it on the screen and record it. So I do not know if we have just an image sensor in here and all the electronics are located in the box, or we have some electronics at least. So this box completely sealed. We have two screws here I did find behind a little aluminium plate which was gluing anyways, but it is all stainless steel hardware. But even if I undo these two screws, this hand will move a little bit, but this side is not moving at all. Here, everywhere, very complicated fittings with, I can see here apparently two super tiny set screws in here. I did try to loosen them and turn this, but it is doing nothing. Here you have a provision for a wrench, but it is for securing the thing to whatever fitting it is going on. It is not to take it apart also. Same here. So here the two cable outputs are rotating more or less and are fitted with this stringy leaf, but they will not disconnect in any ways. So it means we must have fiber optics going here and fiber optics that can turn quite insane. If you continue the big cables, so they are more than 1 centimeter thick, maybe 1.5 centimeter, something very thick. You have a securing strap here, and you have this thing with a number, not matching the serial number, so it must be some kind of an inventory number. And there is this written World Tag Unique Logistic and Industrial Transporter RFID. Okay, I did try to read this tag, but I was not able to do it. So it is for tracking of a device. Maybe if it is very special kind of equipment, they are shared between several hospitals and sent permanently from one hospital to another, or it is for maintenance or cleaning also. So here we have main control unit the doctor will actuate to do the examination. So with these two ones you will move the head in 4 directions. This I do not know what it does. You have some control push buttons here, one more control here, and these two inlets are for replaceable and expandable fluid control valves. You will extract them and replace with new one for each exam apparently. So on this side here, logo of the model number, Fujinon. There is a cover here, but it is some kind of adjustment screw apparently. It is not a disassembly screw. Can I do it again and do it? Yes. Some kind of an adjustment. I can try to turn it, but it will not do anything interesting about the disassembly of this part. Interesting. Yes, there is a seal, and it is all, but it will not do any useful thing about help about undoing this part apparently. Well, half of it is a little bit looser, but it does not help. And behind this I did unglue it. We have no screw behind this cover, so it seems it is completely sealed in place. Also the strain relief here, and yes, I did clean everything with a strong product and leave it with a strong foam over it, so it was clean already. But so here we have a provision for the surgical tool you will insert, some kind of very long wire with two little caps for biopsy apparently, so it will poke out at the end here. So we have, after this, the main examination probe with it is 1 meter long, this one, so there is graduations here, so you can know how deep you are. And here the head, so obviously we have optical fibers. We must have some kind of metal cables to allow actuating the thing, but you can see it is all completely sealed and impossible to take apart without splitting it with a utility knife or something. This part also, here also, so really it is why it is so expensive. Very, very complicated construction apparently, and completely watertight, can be completely disinfected, and very complicated things. I am very curious about what we might have in this box, but so far no luck opening it. So you can see it is written Fujinon Corporation, tag with a serial number here. We have more covers here, but they are also very, very well glued, and I don't think we might find well, it is not this area. We'll have a screw anyways to remove. And these buttons here, I did try to pull on this one a little bit. It is not moving at all. I can see some mounting hardware here at the back, but really no luck. This I did unscrew, but it gave no result. It does not help, and it is all. So quite annoying, and of course same for this connector, completely sealed all around. Little cap here, very nice quality, of course. So yes, you are supposed to dip it completely in a cleaning solution, cleaning product. Very nice golden connector here. So it is supposed to be watertight. And well, no luck, because not possible to take it apart without damage. And it is obviously a very, very rare item to find. In particular, the ones with integrated camera. You have other models with an eyepiece, so you will look in the optical fiber, but it is older models and a lot less interesting. So what should I do with it? It is a question. Do I keep it as a collector item, or do I destroy it to reveal the contents. I would like to find a second one, but it is already a once in a lifetime deal, so I do not expect to find one anytime soon, at least at this price. So really a problem for me here, because I do not know what to do. And I saw the case is super huge and is taking a lot of storage space, but it is the original case for the thing. So okay, so tell me what you think and what I should do about this thing. Really quite an opinion for sure. So thanks for watching, bye bye.